In this video, I will show you how to convert first letter to uppercase in Microsoft Excel. So we can see we have this sample data, and guys, you want to convert this data into capital as first letter. So add this formula equal sign proper, select this proper. Now select this cell, enter. Now drag and drop. So as we can see, we have every word with first letter capital. Now guys, if you delete this data, so it will automatically deleted. So method is that firstly select this data and paste here as value. Now you can delete this one. Now select it and clear all. The column as the first, so select it and delete. Thanks for watching.